Let's take a quick look at how the data sync function works from our terminal end. I'm going to go to our admin area first, where we can see we have the Sync Status Manager here in our Level 1 functions at the top. Our Sync Status Manager will show us all current terminals within our space, and I can do syncs for different purposes. I can do a setup sync if I've made any changes to barcode or barcode items locally on this terminal, or if I've created new POS users. I can do a transaction or customer sync if I think that the data has not transmitted to the cloud. And I can also update POS user information related to individual cashiers or POS admins for things like clock in, sales data, and more. I can also choose to sort my functions by particular terminal groups if in use. Generally speaking, I'm going to leave this on all terminal groups for now. The information displayed below will tell me my terminal names, the IP address locations of those terminals, which group those terminals happen to be in, the status of the terminal, whether it's active or inactive, the last successful sync date, as well as the current syncing status. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and choose to do an update to setup, and I'm going to choose to sync this terminal. As we can see, my sync is currently taking place and does take a few moments as it's talking to the cloud. There's now been an update to the date and time field telling me that my sync was successful. I can perform this sync for a variety of different types of information. As we can see, my sync status is currently in progress. If I'd like, I can choose to refresh this screen. And once my sync has been successfully completed, we see it's changed over to a success message. I can also choose to repair the sync, and this will update my terminal based on any changes made based on the selected date. Generally speaking, this is a good function to call our support team for assistance with if you believe your sync is not completing successfully. There are two functions located in the admin area that are going to be impacted by the sync. One is our barcode management, where we can download items and update barcodes directly from our terminal. And if we do make these changes, we want to make sure our other terminals see those changes. So we do have to do the setup sync to push the data from this terminal to the cloud and then back down to any other terminals that might need those items. The same holds true for our POS user management. If I create new users within the POS user management area here on my terminal, and I'd like those users to be available on other machines, I would then sync as well after creating new users. For any additional advanced syncing features, you would instead be using the back office or the store level through the cloud in order to complete those functions. Thanks for watching this quick video, and if you have any questions about the Volanté Enterprise software, please visit us in our Volanté Learning Hub on the web.